Welcome to our channel. Today Modal Verbs quiz question 30. Comment below how many answers you got. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting English quizzes. Let's get started. You can come to the meeting if you want, but you don't have to. You really must know be late again. It's very important to be not able speak more than one language. Phone her now. She must be home by now. I didn't feel very well yesterday. I could not eat anything. Why didn't you tell me? I could have helped you. How did you do in the test? Okay. It could have been worse. I don't like having to get up early on a Sunday. You must not put your feet on the cafeteria tables. If you don't start working harder, you will have to repeat the course next year. I might be able to help you, but I'm not sure yet. I am so hungry, I could eat a horse. You should not eat so much chocolate. It's not good for you. Already as a child, Mozart could play the piano beautifully. Entrance to the museum was free. We didn't need to pay to get in. You should look at me when I am talking to you. What do you want to do? Well, we could have a picnic, but it looks like rain. I was using my pencil a minute ago. It must be here somewhere. I really must try to get fit. May I go to the bathroom, please? I couldn't move the table. It was too heavy. May I take a photograph of you? The test starts at 10:30. You must not be late. I'm afraid I can't play tennis tomorrow. I've got a dentist's appointment. If you don't start working harder, you will have to repeat the course next year. Whose is this bag? I don't know, but it may belong to Utah. You can't be tired. You've only just got out of bed. If you continue to practice so hard, you will be able to beat me before too long. I could talk already before I was 2 years old. You mustn't forget your sun cream. It's going to be very hot.